Here are a list of some touch points to consider when creating a motion design system. First is the logo. You have to think of use cases for the logo, where it to be used, how it would be used, why it to be used, everything really. And in addition to that, if the brand has brand shapes, brand patterns, you have to think of how everything would tie together effectively. Furthermore, is typography. Yeah, text is going to be used a whole lot to communicate information. So you have to think of how these texts are going to move to be consistent with the messaging and also the emotion that the brand portrays. That is very, very important. Furthermore, you have imagery. Video footage falls under this category also. So how they'll be used, use cases, movements, that's very important. Also complementary assets. So here now, it's brand specific, so it varies from brand to brand. Some brands might need some, while some brands might not, because of how they are positioned and what they want to communicate. So things like lower thirds, transitions, very important to think of assets that would complement the brand and the messaging through motion. Very important. Finally would be iconography and illustration. Also, this is brand specific. So if a brand needs to use icons a whole lot across their assets like website, mobile app, it's very important to create a library for animation for these assets. Same thing with illustration. It depends on the branding really, so it's important to pay attention to these things. I know it's not an exhaustive list, so let me know in the comments what other things you think needs to be considered.